Good morning. Eppie, you want to go for a walk? Yeah? Let's go to the beach. Eppie? 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 Come on, let's go for a walk. Eppie? Eppie! 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 Let's go for a walk. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't be lazy. Get up. Let's go for a walk. To the beach? Yes? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go for a walk. Please? Eppie? Please? Come on, baby. Yeah, come on. Let's go for a walk. Yeah? Alright, I'll get the others. Get ready. Tango. Tango. What are you doing there? Hey. 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 You want to go for a walk to the beach? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Tango. Tango. Come on. Is Eppie up? Yes, she is. Eppie. Tango. Want to go for a walk? Yeah, let's go for a walk to the beach, yeah? Okay. Eppie, you ready? Alright, I've got to get the girls now. Okay. Roseanne? 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 Good morning. Guess what?
What?
Eppie and Tango are ready to go for a walk to the beach.
And so?
Would you like to come to it, please? They're waiting downstairs. Hey, can you get ready while I get Tanel and Chelsea? Okay, I'm making a film of it.
Can you give me 5 minutes?
What?
Can you give me 5 minutes?
Yeah, I'll give you 5 minutes. Alright, I'll come back. Come on, they're really excited. Alright?
I haven't even had 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Alright, I'll come back. Yeah? Okay. Tanel? Good morning. Good morning. Tango and Chasey are ready. Tango and Eppie are ready to go. You coming? Huh? Is that a yes?
Yeah.
Okay. You told me to come back later, so here I am.
Okay.
Getting up? Can I see your face in the morning?
No.
Why not? Hand. Hi. Good morning, hand. Alright. Okay, I'm going to go get Chelsea now, right? Okay, now you getting up soon? Like, soon? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Coming back. Tango and Eppie are ready and eager to be taken to the beach. Alright? Great. Coming back. Good morning. Good morning.
Go away!
I want to invite you to go to the beach with the dogs. You look great in the mornings. I'm making a little movie of the whole thing.
What's the time?
I don't even want to say it on camera, but it's very late. Okay, I know it was a big party. Alright? Making a big movie here. Okay, can you please get ready?
It's only 11.
11 only. Alright, can you please get up? I know it was a big party last night, Jake's birthday.
Why are you filming me in the morning?
Oh, because that's the person that I am, and you look great in the morning. Now, can we get ready for the beach?
I don't really want to go.
Get together, but I'll convince you after you have breakfast because you got to be part of this movie. How can we have a movie like this without you? You know, I mean, it's going to be part of a special collection of movies made with all of you going to the beach. You live next to a beautiful beach.
Who's all of us?
You've got enough films of it. That's just you, Roseanne and Tanel, Eppie and Tango. That's it. All right? Get up.
Things to do today.
You'll love it. Come on, just for a lunchtime walk. All right? And I'm going to have all that on film. Okay? You get up, please? Thank you. Tango, happy. You guys getting ready? You ready to go?
I'm gonna eat breakfast.
Okay, have your breakfast. Ready to go.
Is there enough time to make French toast?
There's time for everything, okay? Just that the dogs can't wait. We've got to go.
Oh, guys, we've got French toast take about 20 minutes.
Yeah, no, less than that. Come on, get ready, get ready. Look at the dogs, poor things. They need to be taken for a walk. They're desperate. Tango, you desperate? Yes, he's desperate. Look, he's begging you. He's begging you.
Come on. You're wasting film.
No, I'm not. Come on, let's go. Hurry up.
You're in a little...
Ooh, Epi.
I'm going on a walk.
Oh, good.
And today is the day. What's today?
The 25th
It's the 25th of
June.
June 2007 and we're taking the dogs for a walk to the beach.
Good on you.
It's not their first time though.
Okay, here comes another eager walker. Good morning. There's number 3. Big smile. She's always early. Okay, young walkies. Why is she making so much noise?
Joking? Can you stop? What? No, it's not about the colour. Did you guys bring plastic bags? Oh no.
What?
This right here is where Matt asked me out.
Where?
Right here. I was sitting here. Wait, no, it was more here.
What were you doing there?
This is where Matt asked me out.
Oh, really?
Right
Okay.
here.
Good. You want to record? You want me to keep that as a record?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. All right, guys. Which way are we heading? That way?
The water!
It's beautiful, isn't it?
They're running water now.
Okay. Okay. Now, how about we go this way?
The
Wait.
water looks fake. Let's go.
Come this way. Oh, you're going to go to the water now?
Yeah.
Tango, go.
Oh, he's gonna piss on his leash.
Oh, good. I've got it.
No, don't piss on it, please.
Oh, yes.
Such a sick person.
Come on, Tango, do another one. Mark your territory.
No, he's gonna. No! Don't piss on the leash.
That's really good, isn't it?
The water's so nice today.
God, it's wet.
Now film me running. Stop! Right! Hello! Stop it! No, I'm at the beach. My uncle's taking a film of us. Yeah. Yeah, he woke us up really. Pardon? Oh, it's actually nice. There's not much breeze or anything. The water's pretty still and nice. Yeah, what are you doing?
Girls.
Where are we going?
Up. Tango, happy.
Can we go up?
If you want. Now, what the hell are you doing? Roseanne, you want to come up? This place is so cool. Yeah, Roseanne.
Tango, Tango, up, Tango, up.
Now look this way and smile. Tango?
Tango, look.
Tango!
See? Look.
That's it. That's it. Show me, show me. Oh, that's lovely. I just took you the most beautiful picture.
Okay, stop. Stop.
That's Danielle. Danielle, would you like to sit over there and grab the dogs? For a picture? Look this way. Come on.
Oh.
1, 2. No, you're not looking. Try again. Don't get that sort of like. You got this look. I think that's better.
Oh, Jesus. Can you stop the sun in my
I'm
eyes?
going to go out there and take a photo of us here.
How can I go there without
Go
falling
over.
over? All right, did you enjoy that walk? Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Is there anything else you want to
How about
say?
you film us going to the movies now?
Yeah, I'll film you doing anything you want.
As long as you pay
Who's got the
for it.
hiccups?
What?
I've got hiccups.
Me?
This is a lovely spot, isn't it?
I do.
All right.
I have hiccups. Uncle Alex,
Yes.
I found a whole heap of really good shells because I'm in the like creative mood.
Is that what you were doing? I thought you were doing something else in the water, because you were sort of facing the wrong way, and I was just trying to work out what was happening there.
No, I wasn't peeing.
Okay.
Pooing.
Pooing or peeing. I
Hmm.
was finding shells.
All right.
I found a whole heap of them and I had to put them back in the water
Yeah.
because I didn't have anything to hold them in.
Where me and slut features made love. You're here. There's nothing I fear, and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever. Oh, my ankle.
Can we try going like this?
Your turn, Roseanne.
Can I stand there?
Ready? Set, go.
And I know that my heart is
Okay.
That guy got a better view than you, Uncle Alex.
Tango? Tango.
Romeo. Oh, why don't someone stand there on the stairs and say Romeo, oh Romeo, and then I'll be Juliet.
Canal, you can be Romeo. I mean, you can be.
Romeo.
No, you gotta do it here.
What, Romeo and
Over
Juliet?
there, see that
Do you want
ledge
to be
there?
Romeo or Juliet?
Oh, we're Romeo.
What? No, Romeo goes down, you loser. Romeo, oh Romeo. Bye
be
bye, oh
Hamlet.
Romeo.
Right. When you're ready,
Ready?
What do I say?
Make it up.
make it up.
No, you could be Juliet, Roseanne.
Come on.
I've been in too many.
Romeo, all thy Romeo, save me from the sky.
Where art thou, Romeo?
Ready, set, go. Romeo, oh Romeo, where art thou, Romeo?
Where art thou, Romeo?
Where art thou, Romeo?
Dear Juliet, Romeo's right here.
I want your sweet bosom. Go. I read Romeo and Juliet, that's what they say. Go on.
I want your sweet bosom, my sweet Juliet.
And then Juliet, you're like this. And your boobs have to be popping out.
I haven't got anything.
Okay, excuse me. Can you keep it clean? Alright, go.
You
Nice
guys
shoes.
suck.
You get a shot of your shoes on the beach. That's excellent.
Oh my god, get these! Get these! We've all got the same shoes.
Oh yeah, we've all got the
Right.
same shoes.
Okay.
No, get them all.
Alright. There's one missing. Okay. Alright. And now, stay there.
Let's do a wave, Mexican wave. Go.
Stay there. Stay there. I was gonna press the still button to get the picture. Can you get your feet up again?
Ready, set.
My bum's kind of hurting.
Ready, set, put the feet together. All right, can we go?
Hi, I'm Snell. As you can see, I love being fit. Me and you, if it is you that wants to be with me. I would like to take walks on the beach, go around the world once, twice, maybe even 3 times. I enjoy deep and meaningful moments, and I love to have love.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Roseanne, and I'm looking for a partner other than my dogs. As you can see, I love my dogs, and I love animals, so my partner will have to love animals. My ideal partner would have to be about 13, brown hair, green eyes, and yeah. So, goodbye.
Hi, my name's Chelsea and I'm looking for a lover. Well, my partner would have to be really hot, sexy like me. Yeah, so if you think that you can jiggle this part, give me a call. I got my phone on me now. Hi, my name's Chelsea and I'm looking for a lover. Well, my ideal partner would have to be really hot, sexy like me. And yeah, so if you think that you can jiggle this part, give me a call. I got my phone on me now.
That was a good walk, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you for the walk. Thank you. Tango?
Thank you.
Epi? Did you enjoy it? It's a good walk? Yes, you did. Yes. I've got it.
No, don't press on it, please.
Oh, yes. Tango, do another one. Mark your territory.
No, he's gonna no. Okay. Okay, stop. Where me and slut features made love. You're here, there's nothing I fear, and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever. Hi, my name's Chelsea and I'm looking for a lover. Well, my ideal partner would have to be really hot, sexy like me. And yeah, so if you think that you can jiggle this part, give me a call. I got my phone on me now.
Tanel, what the hell are you doing?
I'll be right.